guys, it's Crystal from OBDGenie. Did you know your vehicle's computer isn't just a computer? It is a network of computers called the Electronic Control Unit, also known as the ECU. There's also an engine control module, body control module, powertrain control module, and many others. Each of these modules manages their specific mechanical systems, and each ECU communicates with other ECUs. For example, when the engine control module increases speed, the transmission module knows how to do this while using little fuel as possible. The suspension control module will adjust to provide a more comfortable and safer ride. Understanding how your car works helps you become a more informed consumer when purchasing accessories for your vehicle. Before you go out and add a bargain radio or touchscreen, you now understand the importance of knowing how it can alter the way your car works. So, let OBDGenie unlock your vehicle's potential. Have any questions? Just give us a call.